Hi, welcome back to Macros by Stana. Today we are going to make Tortilla Kebab Skewers. They've been going viral lately and it has 35 grams of protein. To make this, you will need 200 grams lean minced beef, seasoning mix, garlic, coriander and jalapeños, onions and finally tortilla. First off, I'm going to add my seasoning mix. I have salt, pepper, paprika and cumin here. Next, I am adding my thinly diced garlic, coriander, jalapeños and a lot of onions. I'm going to get this mixed really well into the mince. Make sure you dice all these really thinly so it gets mixed into the mince really well. Now I am cutting my tortilla into squares and you can clearly see that I don't know how to cut things straight. Now instead of just loading this onto one tortilla, I'm spreading a thin layer across a tortilla and stacking them up about 3 layers. And when it comes to tortilla, if you don't have pre-made tortillas with you, you can easily make tortillas at home. It's just flour, some warm water, a little bit of oil that can make a nice dough and you can get it rolled up into nice tortillas. So once that is done, I'm going to cut them into equal squares and slide them onto skewers. It is super simple, you can portion them easily for meal prep as well. I'm pan frying them until they get a nice charred texture, or if you have an air fryer or an oven, you can get it grilled or air fried as well. So when they're done, I've got these golden flavorful skewers that are high in protein and carbs both, really filling and easy to pack for lunches or quick dinners. You can check the description for the macro breakdown as well. And that is it, Tortilla Kebab Skewers. Definitely want to try if you are looking for something quick but still healthy. Stay tuned for more macro-friendly recipes.